Alright guys, so I'm in the car right now. I got Cassie with me, Arlene's little sister. And I bought Arlene a Tesla, bro. Paid in full, twin. Pay in full. So look, we bought the Tesla and then I was supposed to pick it up tomorrow. But then they were like, yo, you want it? You already paid for it. Come pick it up today. So I was like, all right, man, shit, I'm gonna pick it up today then. So then, now we're trying to figure out how are we gonna hide the Tesla. So what do you think? What's your thought process, guys?
Who knows? Damn.
All right, so yeah, we're trying to figure it out. But yeah, we're on the way. We're gonna go pick up the Tesla. New 2025 Tesla. Arlene's gonna be excited.
The gift is that.
All right, guys, so we're in a crazy so Cassie has to be back home at 6:30. She has to be back home at 6:30 because she's going to the club, right?
The club.
She's going to girls' night at the club, right? And then I gotta hide this car, bro, until Christmas Eve, which is not till an entire week. So I'm trying to figure out where the fuck do I put this car. And then her family, I don't want them to, like, you know, spill the beans, like, oh yeah, like there's a car at our house. Like, your dad's the type to be like, oh, there's a Tesla in my driveway, and then I'll be like, oh. So yeah, I gotta figure that out. So yeah, but yeah, I'm moving right now. What's the other dilemma? Oh yeah, that's really it. That's really
gotta be back in time, bro. And
yeah.
1:33.
So yeah, bro, this is scary. Like trying to hide a car is different. I've never had to do this before. But yeah. All right, guys, we just got to Tesla. About to pick your bitch up. Let's go. Bro. So many Teslas here. I think I found the one I ordered. Like, it's right here. So I got this color because it matches my Jeep, but I think I'm gonna wrap it anyway for Arlene. But yeah, slick. Let me show y'all real quick. Alright, so here it is. Got the gray with the white interior. I'm gonna paint these rims black. I'm gonna get these lights darker. See, I was gonna go performance, right? But then with performance, let me show y'all the performance real quick. So this is the performance, okay? Mind you, this car is for Arlene, okay? I was like, does Arlene really give a fuck about driving 0 to 60 in 0.2 seconds? I was like, nah, she doesn't. So I was like, fuck it. She definitely just wants a nice car. So I was like, this is it. This is what she needs right here, bro. White interior. She always says she wanted white interior. Got her the rims. About to paint these black. About to go get it tinted immediately. And then yeah, we good, bro. That's how you do it. All right, so about to do some paperwork real quick, and then hopefully we can get out of here. The car's right there behind me. I was supposed to go get it straight to the tent place, but they close at 6, and it's 5:35 right now, so I don't think I'm gonna make it. So we shall see how this goes. We shall see how this goes.
Your headlights turn on automatically now.
Also, once I do that,
bright lights. You can have the bright light set to turn on automatically, or
you
if you want to control it yourself, you can do it that way. But
I'm just gonna say, welcome to the Tesla family. You want to get that on your camera?
oh yeah, let's see.
everything
Smooth.
sets automatic as well. Now, if you
Hey.
don't want the automatic,
Hey. So now what you want to do is go ahead and set up your key.
And if I need to put this on another phone, am I able to do that?
Mm-hmm. Like your phone, just or somebody else.
So this is actually a gift. I'm buying this for my wife. Yeah, I'm getting it on my phone now, but then I was gonna give it to her, so I could like.
So you can go to securities and driver. Scroll up. Security and drivers.
Okay.
And then you can just add driver there.
And then she'll get her own key.
You can submit. You'll create a link. You'll text it to her, and then when she has it, she create her own account. And then when she clicks on that link, it instantly will make her an operator with a phone key.
Fire. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Bet.
Nice. All right, let me just go double check on your paperwork real quick, and then yeah, you should be pretty much out the door.
All right, so my guys going back there, making sure all the paperwork is good. Guys, just copped a Tesla, man. Tesla Model 3 2025 for my girl. It's crazy. I'm gonna go get it tinted for her. I'm gonna go get it wrapped for her. She really deserves it. And Arlene, if you're watching this, just know I love you. I know we have our ups and downs. I know you be pissing me the fuck off sometimes. I know I be pissing you the fuck off. But at the end of the day, that's just how all relationships are. And yeah, I love you. So yeah, there we go. New Model 3. She's done a lot for me. She deserves this. She's gotta go crazy now. All right, bet y'all. So we just got the keys. Let's see. Oh shit. Yes. This is lit. White interior. Oh my gosh. Fire. Thank you, man.
Yes, sir.
And there we go. Everything is said and done. We are here. I am good to go. Nah, this is crazy, bro. I really just bought Arlene a Tesla. Woo! This is crazy. So yeah, guys, we are here in the Tessie. I'm about to create my profile real quick because I don't know. Wait, I don't even know what I'm doing right now, to be honest with you. I don't know how to work this. I don't know. This shit has full self-driving, bro. Like this car can drive by itself. Like I paid the extra so Arlene don't even have to drive, bro. All right, so I'm adjusting everything now. So we're gonna do the mirrors. Dude, I'm so used to driving a big car that being in this little ass car, I mean, this is good for Arlene, but for me, boy, I'm more of a, I've always had big cars. Literally Jeeps, SUVs. So now, I don't know what the fuck. Okay, set up my phone key. So, turn on your phone's Bluetooth, open the Tesla app on your phone, while on your phone near your car. I already did that. Using phone key. Oh shit, fire. Okay, unlock, what the hell? Okay, using key cards. Okay, I have that in here. All right, doing this when you get a Tesla. For those that are interested in getting one, I do not recommend driving and vlogging. But yeah, bro, this shit is tough. The red ambient lighting, white on white seats.
In 500 feet, turn left onto DeKalb Industrial Way.
It's crazy, bro. It's like 2025 Tesla. I'm just in awe right now. Like I really,
turn left onto DeKalb
my girl
Industrial
has
Way.
done a lot for me. Like me buying her a car, I feel like doesn't really even equal all that she's done for me. But I feel like this is a good way to show her, hey, I know you've done a lot for me. Like, you know, the little gifts, the Goyard bag, the trips, all that shit. I feel like that's like what you should do. Not many people are gonna buy their girl a whip. Yo, you guys know when like you really want to give somebody their gift already and you're like you're holding that shit in because like you're like, fuck, like I want to tell you what I got you. That's how I feel right now. Like I want to call Arlene and literally tell her like, hey, like I like surprise, but I can't, bro. Like I just can't. I gotta do it right. I gotta get the windows tinted. I gotta do the wheels. Gotta do the brake calipers, and then we will get her situated. Oh man, we shall see. I'm literally like dying to tell her right now. Anyways, let me show you guys the car. So we are here. Got the red with the, and I don't have self-driving on because I'm trying to learn about the car, but I know once I figure that out, I will definitely be using self-driving. And I know Arlene is gonna be loving that shit. She's gonna go crazy with the self-driving. It does self-park, self-driving, got the phone charger.
No help, that's all me for real.
All right, so this is it. not too bad. Looks decent. Once we wrap it, it's gonna look way better. I even did these down here. But yeah, looks fire. Looks way, way better. Alright, so we already gave Arlene the the Tesla, but we're about to show, she's about to show us the Tesla.
You're gonna see it for real. For real. For the first time ever.
Alright, so I just pulled it out.
Really?
And then
In your car?
yeah. She was shook is what I'm trying to say. But yeah,
Oh my God.
we got the Tesla here behind me. Put a small little bow on it, nothing crazy. But yeah.
This is the great.
Don't look too much at it.
Arlene, post in front of it right now.
What do you think about your gifts today?
I love it.
Danny, what do you think about your gifts?
And you can say, I'm a very good Christmas tree. With my Snoopy and my new shoes.
Damn!
Put-on! I'm not about to do a split.
What'd you say? Do a split. Wait, am I missing something? Oh, there go the shoes.
Oh shit, that's all I can do.
Your shoes.
Yeah, they're cooked.
Nah, I think I'm cooked.
Alright guys, so I didn't get to record Arlene's reaction because it was just weird. Her family was there and her cousins were there, whatever. And yeah, basically the way I did it, do you think the way I did it was cool? Basically I was just like, oh, like she won like some game that they were playing, and I was like, oh shit, like you won the game. And then I was like, oh, like here's a gift for you. You know, I guess you can open a gift early. And I gave her a card, and in the card, I don't know if I documented this, but in the card, I wrote like, you know, here, blah blah blah. And then there was like the Tesla keys, they're like key cards, so I put in like a slot. And then yeah, what do you think about the
surprise?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it was a surprise. It was unexpected, but I don't know. Grateful.
Okay. You don't gotta say too much. It's all good. I already know.
I feel like someone has a video. Everyone was recording.
Yeah, I think my dad has a video, but his video came out kind of like funny. Like, literally, like the car is there and everyone's recording Arlene. My dad is like behind the car.
So I thought something else was happening.
I was like, what the hell, bro? Like, literally, like he's in everyone's video. It's like you have the car and then my dad, and then Arlene is just like staring there, looking at the car.
I just didn't know what to say or do.
Yeah. But anyway, 10 out of 10 gift.
Yeah.
Now we just gotta wrap it. Still haven't wrapped it till this